8x minus 2x is 6x. And then minus 9x. That's going to give me negative 3x plus 8 equals 208. Is my math right?
Yeah.
8 minus 2 is 6.
That's right.
6 minus 9 is negative 3. Okay, cool. All right. So then we could start solving this, where I'm going to go ahead and subtract 8 from both sides. Those cancel, so I get negative 3x is equal to 200. Divide each side by negative 3. Those cancel, so x equals 200 over 3. Question for you. There's a negative sign. Where should it be, or does it matter? Doesn't matter. So I can have negative 200 over 3. I can have this, or I could have this. Those are all correct answers. Okay? And that's how you do that. Does that make sense? Yeah? Questions on that? All right, problem number 10. Problem number 10. I have a 2, I have a 3, and I have a 6 as my denominators. What's the smallest number that 2, 3, and 6 go into? And it can be one of them. 6. Agree? Now somebody might be saying, what about 12? Well, 12 absolutely would work. It's just you'd have to reduce a little bit more at the end. So I'm going to multiply this by 6 over 1, this by 6 over 1, this one by 6, and this by 6 over 1. And if I do that, I get 3y. If I do this, I get plus 1. This just gives me 12. This cancels that, gives me negative y, or negative 1y. Now we can start manipulating it. Add 1y. I don't know. Might be an okay place to start. You might have started at a different spot, and that's okay. So that's 4y plus 1 equals 12. Subtract 1 from both sides. Those cancel, so I get 4y equals 11. Divide by 4. Y equals 11 over 4. 11 over 4 is a totally perfect, fine answer. We doing okay? What else? Yeah. 6. Sure can. Now let's keep the split screen going so you can still see number 9 or number 10, I guess. Number 6, 2x minus 6 over 4 equals negative 7. Let's multiply both sides because this is my only denominator. So if I multiply this side by 4 over 1 and this side by 4, those cancel, leaving me 2x minus 6 equals negative 28. Go ahead and add 6 to both sides. Those cancel, so I get 2x is equal to negative 22, I believe. Undo this, because those are multiplied, that will divide. Cancel that. X equals negative 11. Any others you want to see, my friends, or you feel okay? Good in the hood? Yeah. Yeah, we're going to have a quiz on Friday. Quiz on Friday. Okay. Would you do me a favor? If you have a sheet of paper, get it out. If you need a sheet of paper, ask someone to borrow one. Let me go to full screen. You what? I already gave you points. Oh, what we're writing? No. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you got it? Okay, I'll put you in. Thanks, Michael. Why are you? Oh, okay. Yeah, right down to the left. I didn't hear what you said. All right, will you do me a favor? Will you try this problem? Try that problem. See how you do. I would definitely encourage you to clear the denominator first. But try that problem. See if you can figure that out. Oops, I don't know why that's coming up, but there you go. See if you can figure that one out. So I'm not starting it yet, but just a quick, give me a reminder. Where are you starting this problem? Yeah. Yeah, so multiply all three terms by 3 over 1 or just 3. So that'd be a good place to start. If you didn't start there, take a look at what we did and go ahead and try it. See if you can start figuring out what's going on. I wrote down what the next step is, though I have to change my equal sign because Stirp don't know how to write an equal sign right now. That's okay. Oh, shoot. Don't worry. You're good. So as you're finishing up this problem, that is the answer I came down with. Do you have questions about that? Are we okay? New concept, huh? We'll do more. We will definitely do more. All right. Can I move off this screen? And for my new students, just so you know, I record all of my lessons. Please, and it's posted on Schoology, so just go on there. You can watch anything. So try this problem. There's no fraction to clear on that one, so don't try and clear a fraction because I don't have a denominator. Try that first. See how you do. Friends, did you distribute -3 over the parentheses first? So you went -3 times x and -3 times 2? Okay. So I have the next step that I wrote up there. See if you agree. Agree? You okay about that? Questions? May I move forward? Good. All right. Let's see. Try that one. Be sure to combine like terms before you start moving things back and forth over the equal sign. I'm sorry, am I boring you?
No, I'm sorry.
If you're stuck on that, I've underlined the like terms that you should combine before you move anything back and forth over the equal sign. That's what I get if I combine my like terms. Oops. Yes or no? Is it done? What should I do? Divide by 7. Excellent. Huh. Hmm. Made it a little tougher. I have 3 denominators. See if you can figure it out. Please realize you have these as denominators. So find the smallest number that 3, 4, and 2 all go into evenly. It's not going to be 4. It's not going to be 7. It's not going to be 6 because 4 doesn't go into 6. It's not going to be 10. I think, what do you think? 12? 12 sound okay?
Yeah, because if you think of it, 2 and 3 goes to 6, 4 does not, so the closest one is 12.
There you go. Yeah, so 12 is a good one to start with. Now, if you think, oh, I'll start with a number, you'll know if you made an error when the fractions don't cancel each other out. So 12 is the same thing as 12 over 1, agree? And I'm just multiplying the 5 by 12. Why am I multiplying the 5 only by 12 and not 12 over 1? That's a whole number. Good. Once you get to that point, this is going to get rid of the fractions. So 3 goes into 12 how many times? 4. And then 4 times 2x is? 8x. Plus sign because there's a plus sign. 4 goes into 12 how many times? 3. And 3 times 1 is?
3.
And there's an x with that. Plus, 12 times 5. 60. And then 2 goes into 12 6 times. 6 times 1 is 6. That green problem is a lot more friendly problem that I think you would have a fighting shot at doing. Okay, if you tried doing this honestly with the fractions, I don't like it. That's why I've shown you the way to say this is a beautiful skill that allows you to get rid of fractions. It'll work in every problem you ever go through. Yeah.
So there's not a single question it won't work with?
As long as there's an equal sign. The only time it's going to get probably goofy is like when you get to pre-calculus. So 4 math classes from now. But at that point, don't stress it. You won't remember me anyhow. You might remember me, but you might not remember the lesson. Deal? Plus, I'll go over and show you why it doesn't work. But that's kind of the only spot I would think right off the bat. Hey, friends, those are like terms. What should I do with those? Add them up, so I get 11x plus 60.
I thought we subtract them.
Well, they're both positive, so I would not subtract. But at least you're in the right order of operation as the hierarchy. So I get 11x equals
-54.
-54. And my friends, I do not think 11 will reduce at all with that. So x equals -54 over 11. And again, it's totally fine. Do not change to mixed numbers. Keep them in proper fractions. This is the more accepted way to do it. I know we all loved our elementary school teachers, but they did a little bit of a disservice with us when they said, let's convert to mixed numbers. Okay. Anybody have a question in mind? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I apologize. Yeah, baby. You're good? Perfect? Everyone's good? 12, so 5 minutes. All right. Let's see who's going to be brave. Who feels brave? What color you want? Pink? Can I do you pink?
I feel brave.
Solve it.
I'll feel brave.
Whoa.
All right. Someone's brave.
Okay.
Here are the steps. If you get stuck, I'll help you.
Okay.
Didn't we just do this problem a second ago?
I don't know. I'm giving you the opportunity to write in front of the class, though.
I'm trying.
Yeah?
I think we have the same problem.
That's okay. It won't hurt us. Oh, okay.
Um, yeah, my handwriting's bad.
There you go.
Perfect.
That's beautiful. You write better than I do. You might be my new scribe for the classroom, my friend. Beautiful. Oh, we only do one a day. Someone gets the opportunity to try a different time. All right, so my friends, I would like you. That was just practice. We just practiced as a class. All right, I would like you to do page 33, 34, 1 through 9 only. So it's only on page 33, yeah. So if you need to take a picture of my page, because you don't have the book, come on, take a picture.